Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another DBS News. And here are our top stories. Stylo G arrested by police and Issa under fire after lightning incident. So by now, I'm sure you might have heard about the lightning incident that happened during a match between Jamaica College and Wolmers boys yesterday. Now, during the game, the athletes were on the field enjoying a game of football when out of nowhere, this happened. Wow, that is definitely not something that you'd go to a football match expecting to see, and questions needed to be asked. Some people felt that why did Issa allow the young men to be on the field after seeing, after hearing thunder and lightning for a few moments before. The match should have been cancelled, should have been postponed, and the athletes taken off the field. Now, I first heard of this story online when Dion Jackson Miller reported that lightning struck twice at a football match between Wolmers and JC at Stadium East. 5 players went down, 3 walked off the field, 2 were carried off, but the 2 carried off were moving. They are now being attended by medics. They do not appear to have been hit. So I guess that's just the only good that could come off this, that, the athletes, weren't severely affected, but some negligence. Who is going to be held accountable? Because I actually heard of an incident, I think it was in St. Thomas or Portland some weeks ago, where a young man died because he was struck by lightning. So for now to see that something like this has happened during a high school football match, someone has to be blamed. So online, here's what some of the comments are saying. You mean to tell me that they never postponed the match between Jamaica College and Wolmers? Look at the rain, the wind, the lightning happening this evening, and the lightning hitting 2 JC players and 1 Wolmerian. This is upsetting. These youth are not superheroes. How could Issa be so irresponsible? You need to assess the weather before keeping a match. So at this point, I'd honestly like to hear what you guys have to say. Please leave a comment down below. What do you think of this situation? This is a schoolboy football situation. Could all of this have been prevented? But who should be blamed? Is it solely Issa's responsibility? Is it the coaches? Is it, the athletes as well? Sound off below in the comment section. And now to another story. Now we're moving things over into dancehall. So dancehall artist Stylo G, yes, the man known for his hits such as Just Touch Down Like NASA. I think that is the cartel part. But he is more recently known for his massive hit single called Dumpling.
Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. All damn bad, stunting. Them gyal say we sweet like pumpkin.
So online, many were caught off guard after this video was posted, showing police raiding the dancehall artist's home in Caymanas.
I'm signed to so many, brother. Me have a live. My live on my Instagram now with our Caymanas estate. You understand my people? Brother, this is on my Instagram. Brother, people send police at my place. Police at my place. Police. Yo, hold this. Don't take it off, yeah? Please, darling. Please, you know my rights, brother. I'm gonna search the place, we're gonna find no gun. Instagram live, keep it on there because the police come, keep it live. It's a Jamaica, we don't trust nothing. Police come, but people said police. We don't live here. People said police will search so they find gun. Police never find no gun. Why you want to arrest me and bring it to the station? They can't process it, right? That's all. Oh, she can't reach out, can't lie even, but I call them people. I don't live here, bro. I don't live here. We don't want to arrest people, we don't do nothing, bro.
Don't forget they're not in England. Don't forget that they're not in England.
Yeah, but we still on the certain rights. Yeah, we still on the certain rights. Why you want to arrest me that we can't find a gun? There's no gun, there's
You know what I found interesting? That in the middle of this entire ordeal, It was not the back and forth between Stylo G and the police officers. It was the fact that there was opera music playing in the background.
Bring all of us to the station.
Take us to the police station tomorrow.
Come on, man. Come on. Little lines, brother. I went to Calabar High School. I'm very brother. When you come, kick out the door, gun, everything that we face. But here, there is no weapons here. There is no weapons, officer. You know this thing.
Why you don't want to
I'm here with my music, brother.
I know. Exactly.
That's no fear. That's no real, brother. You're going to take us to the station right now for what? Process. Bro, I don't live here. I'm going to take you here.
In some strange way, it was actually fitting. I don't know. That was just weird, really, really weird. What do you think about this story, viewers? Do you think that the police had a right to just, enter his premises like that? What do you think about Stylo G's response to the authorities? I would love to hear you in the comments down below. Well, that is it for this DBS News exclusive. Take care, guys. See you next time. I'm thirsty, man. I'm thirsty. I don't know why I'm going so proper on the show, yeah. Like me D said. That was, long more and chat the little patois like it killed me. The little patois just want to come out a while ago and I have to hold it. I try to keep the little English. No, literally, the next time I do a video like this, no patois. I must can have this entire DBS thing and don't chat no patois. I'm going to try it. I need to try it. Because patois I get it too much now. I forget to know the English. Come on, Barry, you can do it.